Hello, my name is Suzette, aka Auntie Q, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making tamarind ginger juice. First, I'm going to remove the shell from the tamarind. Then after I remove the shell, I'm going to rinse it just to get rid of any little thing that is left on it. Then after I rinse it, I'm going to add 5 cups of warm water. I'm going to leave it there for half an hour just to let it soften up that the meat can easily remove from the seed. And now I'm going to use a spoon to get the meat from the seed. If the spoon not working, you can also use your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. As you can see, my hands work much better than the spoon. Now the meat is separated from the seed. After I separate the meat from the seed, I'm going to strain it. So after I strain it, I'm going to add 3 more cups of room temperature water. Then mix together. Then I'm going to add the ginger. And the sugar, and then mix until everything is dissolved. After I finish mixing, I'm gonna strain it again just to make sure that everything is removed from the juice. So now you have it, my tamarind ginger juice. Now for the taste test. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, bye.